In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we will guide you through the simple steps to set a password on your Windows 11 PC. Setting a password is a crucial aspect of securing your personal data and ensuring your privacy. With Windows 11, the process is easier than ever, and this video will show you how to do it in no time. To set a password on Windows 11, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button and select Settings, the gear-shaped icon. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Accounts. Step 3. In the left sidebar, select Sign In options. Step 4. Under Password, click on the Add button if you have not set a password before. If you have a password and want to change it, click on Change. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to create or change your password. Step 6. Once you have set or changed your password, you will need to enter it to access your Windows 11 account.